Today, we're diving into the science behind IGF-1, a key hormone for growth and health. IGF-1 plays a crucial role in muscle building, fat burning, and maintaining youthful energy. Despite its importance, many overlook IGF-1, leading to misconceptions and missed health opportunities. IGF-1 is essential for muscle growth, stimulating new muscle cells and supporting existing ones, making it valuable for athletes and bodybuilders. Beyond muscle, IGF-1 aids in fat loss by enhancing fat cell breakdown and insulin sensitivity. It's also vital for cellular regeneration, supporting healthy tissues and organs, and reducing age-related disease risks. Boosting IGF-1 doesn't require extreme measures. Simple diet and lifestyle changes can significantly impact. Resistance training, protein-rich foods, adequate sleep, and stress management all contribute to optimal IGF-1 levels, enhancing body composition, athletic performance, and vitality. However, boosting IGF-1 comes with risks, especially for those sensitive to hormone fluctuations. Excessive IGF-1 can cause joint pain, inflammation, and even cancer. It's crucial to approach IGF-1 optimization cautiously, monitoring progress and adjusting strategies as needed to balance benefits and risks. Understanding IGF-1's effects allows us to harness its benefits while managing potential downsides. It's about finding a balance for optimal health. This holistic approach to hormone health can help achieve health and fitness goals. We've explored IGF-1's benefits and the importance of moderation. Recognizing this hormone's complexities enables informed health and fitness decisions. For more on hormone health and nutrition, check out my other videos and share your thoughts in the comments.